When starting a project, it's not uncommon to question the capability to cover all the needs that might arise along the way. There are many factors to be considered to make the most of your tissue production. And therefore, we have got you covered. The team at Valmet has a long experience of executing numerous projects in both smaller and larger scales. We always work in close collaboration with our customers and are with you every step of the way. We help you to reach your demands in terms of paper quality, production efficiency, and sustainability, as well as your financial targets, so you can utilize the full potential of your investment. Always with safety, health, and quality as our top priority. Let's go through how we successfully execute projects from start to finish. In the sales phase, we identify the best possible solutions and define the right process technology, automation, and project services for your needs, aiming to attain the lowest possible environmental footprint. Further on, we define the detailed scope of the project in a technical specification, set guarantees, and develop the target time schedule for the project. This so you quickly can start running your tissue production with high efficiency. During the establishment phase, we go in depth of the project. Resources are allocated to the project organization, and from here on, the project is handled by the Valmet project management team. Detailed time schedules are developed and project procedures are agreed. The engineering resources are based on the process technology and the engineering package included in the project scope. With the basic engineering package, the equipment is dimensioned, piping and instrumentation diagram are certified, and the department layout is finalized in cooperation with the customer's civil engineer. Power requirements and electrical loads are defined. If detailed engineering package is included in the scope, a 3D model of the mill is developed. Detailed drawings, technical documentation, and instructions for the installation are developed. The material and services for the installation are also purchased. Based on the technical specification and engineering documents, equipment is purchased and delivered to the pre-assembly workshop or shipped directly to the customer site. When the engineering work is done and the equipment has arrived, the pre-assembly of the machine begins. When the machine is assembled and inspected, it is dismantled and packed. The equipment is then shipped to the customer site according to the agreed shipping regulations. When the building is ready for installation activities, the Valmet site management team arrives and installation is carried out. Hands-on training and classroom training are held with operators and maintenance personnel. During commissioning and checkout, the customer and the Valmet team perform inspections and cold tests on all equipment and systems in the scope of supply. After that, water test runs are performed to simulate the operations of the mill and to make sure the process runs smoothly. When everything is tested and approved, the process line is ready for startup. Performance tests are carried out, where we plan and lead test and task force programs. This is done to technically verify that the delivery targets in terms of process, production, and quality are met. During this phase, we are also remotely supporting the mill through the Valmet Performance Center, with a network of experts always available for guidance and support. After startup, the warranty period starts, and simultaneously we work together with the customer to fine-tune the tissue-making process to achieve the agreed production targets. We have got you covered even after startup. We can provide additional support and further trainings so you can continue to develop and excel in your tissue-making process. We are with you every step of the way, making sure you have the best performing solutions for your needs.